Curly crispy fries is a fusion of crispy pakora and fries. This instant recipe will surely uplift you and your kids' mood in this dull time. These crispy golden nests can be enjoyed anytime during the day. Sorry for my little husky voice from past few videos. I am not doing well, but it is so much of fun sharing these recipes with you, so couldn't resist it. Let's start making it. Take peeled raw potatoes and grate it into long, thick shreds. Alternatively, you can julienne it, or if you have a vegetable curler, then make nice medium long curls with it. If the curls are too long, then cut them before adding it into a bowl. Now add turmeric, rock salt, cornstarch, chickpea flour or besan in it and mix it well. Add little bit of water if required, as potato has its own moisture and everywhere it is different. You should have thin coating on it. Heat up oil in a pan or karhai, medium to high. Then take little handful of mixture and drop it in hot oil, or use a spoon to drop the mixture. Do not overcrowd the pan. Do not turn them until it is golden brown from bottom. The first one is ready, so I am turning it. Once all of them nice and golden brown, take it out on a plate. But just a suggestion, before making all of them at once, try one and check if your nest turned out too soft and not crispy. That means you have added little extra chickpea flour. Add more potatoes to it. Or if it is way too crispy, that shows you have little extra corn flour in it. So add more potatoes to it. Enjoy these tasty snack appetizer with green chutney, ketchup, hot sauce or tamarind sauce. Please do try this recipe and let me know how did it turn out. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.